Here we come again, guys. Welcome back. So I hope you all doing good. Ramadan Mubarak everywhere, anywhere you live in the world. I hope you guys are doing great. Um, Today's video is gonna be me analyzing different pairs. Okay, so you know me that I'm a GU trader, but actually I'm going to try to analyze different pairs today. And actually, there's no reason, but I just said why would I trade only one pair? But I mean, when it comes to like personally, I trade only GBUSD. But right now, I'm going to actually analyze different pairs: gold, GGA, EURUSD, gold, and GBUSD, and a lot. I mean, a lot more. So stay with me, stay till the end, and if you're new to this, hit that subscribe button. Let's be friends here. Let's make our journey or our dreams come true. So, because I'm here for documenting my journey from zero to hero, you know what I mean? So, I really appreciate it for watching. I mean, for coming, okay, and I wish you watch till the end because you will get benefit from the way I actually analyze. It's really so simple. It's called break and retest, and I can say with GBBUSD, I'm not talking about the other pairs, but with GBBUSD, is really the best strategy. I mean, it really fits. You know what I mean? So I would really even recommend you trade with GBUSD, and I'm not saying just trade immediately, but back test and see how it really behaves because it's really easier than this pair. This pair GBBUSD pair is really easier than when it comes to analyzing thing and has a lot of volume, than most pairs, you know what I mean? So with that being said, let me show you guys. Let's get right into it, right? Is that what we say? Okay, great. So right now I'm going to guys share the screen for you.
Okay, this actually pair my friend just now sent me, okay, and he said, hey, look this. He was looking for a bullish trend, and actually here is the way I actually analyze. And the reason I'm gonna show you is simply I'm right now at 4 hour chart. So when it comes to when I go to daily time frame, the price is telling me that we're in a downtrend. We're in absolutely downtrend. So why would I against the market while I can see that the market is what doing is making what lower lows and lower highs. As you can see here, let me take it off and do it again. As you can see here, the market is actually doing what? Like whenever you come, first of all, whenever you come to the market, the first thing you need to do is to to go to higher time frame. Okay, go to higher time frames, and the higher time frames is going to help you find, or it's going to help you, see where the trend is at. Okay, where the trend is going. Is it up bullish? Is it downtrend, or consolidating? Okay, and then at the time you can, lower your time frames. Maybe in the 1 hour, in the 30 minute, you can, point your entries and stuff. So right now, as we can see here, the market has done what? Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, right? As you can see there, and again, lower lows, lower highs, as you can see there, right? So right now we can see it's a clear, you know, bullish. I mean, sorry, clear downtrend, meaning the price is going down. So why are we against? So we have actually different strategy because he uses ICT strategy while I use price action strategy, and I mean, knowing the exact where the trend is actually going is still the most important thing, and it doesn't need even strategy. You just it's the first thing that you should do if you're a trader, right? Like if you're not doing this, like what kind of strategy do you use then? I mean, I actually don't believe that. I like always to see where the market is going. Firstly, where the market is heading. Okay, is it at a key level? Like no matter where. Okay, let's just even that it doesn't matter whether it's a key level, whether it's in a retracement. I don't care. All I care is to see where the market is heading. Is it up, making higher highs? Is it down, making lower lows? Once I realize that, it's gonna be fucking simple for me to actually analyze. Especially for me, because I use break and retest strategy, right? So Using that strategy is, bro, it's another level. So anyway, as we can see right now, we're in the daily time frame, and the market is telling us what lower lows under high. So we're gonna come down to the 4-hour chart, and we can see there that we're still in downtrend. It's great. So the thing that I want to know, if I want this, um, let me say downtrend, want to reverse into bullish, all I gotta do is to wait till the price breaks the last lower high. Okay, the market was doing lower lows and lower highs, right? So all I'm waiting is to be broken the last lower low, I mean lower high. After that, I can after the breakout of that lower high, I'm gonna wait a little adjustment, then boom, we're good. Yeah, we're going the price. Now at the time I can see the price has changed into, you know, bullish, right? But if it's not doing that, what the hell? It's still going. So right now it's in, I can say, retracement, okay, and that's what I love, bro. You don't, whenever the market is actually going like, okay, let's say right now, as you can see, it's what, making lower lows and lower highs, right? As the market does its lower low, okay, when the market does its lower low, you don't need, if that little trend started, you know, before you come, I mean, if it already started, don't get into trade. Wait till that, how can I say it? Till that, tell me, lower low, I mean, till that little, yeah, price movement stops, and then makes a little retracement. After the retracement is the time that I'm going to get ready to take the trade or not. I mean, it's gonna determine, okay, after the retracement, is this retracement will be deep, will be a real change, or will be a less retracement, okay, a little retracement. And remember, when the market has a little retracement, that means we got a lot of volume, you know what I mean? So NZD JPY is telling us right now what, we're in downtrend on the 4-hour chart. Right now we're coming back from, actually, yeah, we're coming back from, as you can see, even here we're actually coming back from retest. As you can see here, market has actually started to go down right now. So I think I'd say I'll take this trade. Would really, and you know why? Because right now the market has shown us a green, a red engulfing candle. I mean, it's really almost engulfing candle. Can you see this candle? Can you see this candle? It's telling us what? It's the market is changing, right? Like it's so my target would be here. Okay, I'm gonna let you know though. Don't worry, I'm gonna let you know that. Okay, I said I would take the trade, go for short. Okay, put my stop loss above here, and my take profit is gonna be here. Yeah, great. 1 to 2. Perfect entry, seriously. And I'm guys let you know that later. Okay, you don't have to worry. Is what I really love when the market comes back from retracement, because that is the time I take the trade. You know what I mean? So don't take here. Like anything can happen. The market can just, like, for example, the market has moved to all the way here. I'm just gonna take here in trade, and then what's gonna happen? I'm gonna put my stop loss maybe right here, and then boom, I got stopped out. That's where I really hate. Or maybe you get into this. You've seen this. You've seen this candle. Okay, let me point. You've seen this huge candle, as you can see here. Okay, you said, oh bullshit, let me take the trade, put my stop loss right there. Even boom, you guys stopped out. That's why I actually hate to take trade in the middle of a movement that is not a retracement. You know what I mean? But after retracement and get some sort of confirmation, give me the confidence to take that trade, just like this one, I can take. I'll show you the result. I'll later. So then I put my take profit last lower low. It's either gonna I'm gonna say it's either gonna break below it, so then it's going down, or it's gonna come back to reverse. Even though we can look our on left side, if you can see any. Okay, here is probably gonna be okay. See, oh, actually, all I care right now is that trade. 1 to 2 the screw ratio, perfect setup, okay? And I'll let you know later. So let's go down to GBSD, my favorite, the one and only. As you can see, I've actually analyzed for the last week because I haven't actually posted on YouTube, right. So right now the market, as we can see here, is making what, lower lows, lower highs. Simple as that. So when that's simple, the first thing I do, okay, whenever I get into the chart, the first thing I do is to look where the trend is at, so I can know what to do next. You know what I mean? So the market is making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Finally, the price has actually stopped. Here is going to be a key level, right? So then, when I realized that the price has stopped at a key level, I realized that after that I said, you know what, the market has might reverse, but I'm not gonna take any trade, okay, unless the market has made what, higher highs and higher lows, unless the market shows me clear confirmation. So again, we're in the 4 hour chart. Actually, I'm a swing trader, so I can wait trades like longer, a week or even more than. So then I've waited. The market has done what, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So here is going to be change of corrector, right? And then higher highs, the market has broken the last higher high, and then come back to a little retracement. That means break of structure. Exactly, break of structure, meaning the market is likely to go up, right? So I've taken a trade based off of see guys, I'm telling you, all I do is same all of them. So here it is. You think, guys, I'm just saying what I'm talking? No, I'm actually not saying. I'm exactly saying what I do, right? Okay. So the market has actually moved to all the way up, right? I'm breaking that last higher high, and then after that, the price has what made a little retracement. After that, I was ready to take the trade because of the little retracement I saw, and also a little confirmation that I've seen it that actually gave me the confidence to take that trade. Okay. So then um, I've actually took that was 1 to 85%, like it's almost 1 to 2. Good. Um, Next step was after the break of structure. You can see after the break of structure, the market has break this level. Okay, here is gonna be the break. Here is gonna be, yeah. Here's gonna be the break of structure. Okay, the market. Wait, let me show you. Okay, yeah, the break of structure is gonna be here. The market has broke this level, break of structure here is where I wrote. Has broke, it's the last higher high, you know what I mean? It's the last higher high. The market has broken, as it broken, it comes back to make what little adjustment, and that gave me the confidence to take this trade, get in what, 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, okay? I told you, whenever I want to take trade, firstly, I look what trend, where the trend is at. Secondly, I look, does the market I mean, is the market like, is the market right now is in a retracement condition, or a, it's, I mean, it's a, or is it a in a movement, you know what I mean? So the movement I'm talking about is can be this, but the retracement, yeah, I hope you can understand what I'm saying. If I want to take a trade, I'm gonna take after the retracement, okay? Not in the middle of a movement, okay? In the middle of the movement of the trend, no, it's the retracement, okay? The price has moved, breaking that last higher high, and then the price has came back right from here. The price has came back to retest, of course, okay? And then I just get right into the trade, you know what I mean? Again, okay, yeah, I get right into the trade. Then yeah, that is it, bro. That's how it helped me. Okay, again, how I took the trade. Okay, simple as that. After that, after this trade I've taken, after this trade, market has just finally broke right. This retracement, I took the trade again, which break and retest again, as you can see there. And then the market has done what? I've taken the trade. After that, the market has finally broke another level. Here we can see the last lower high, of course, on the in the downtrend, meaning right now the market has what, changed really, or in like reverse really into bullish right now, because whenever the market is downtrend, in order the market to reverse into bullish, So since it was bearish, if it wants to go bullish, we have to wait till the last lower high is broken. After that, we're gonna with a little retracement. After that, we're good to take the trade. That is how I actually trade, especially in this pair, bro. I love it because you can understand simply, bro. And I'm telling you, strategy doesn't matter, bro. Psychology is matter. Is what matter. So after that breakout and retracement, I've actually taken the trade, and as you can see here, it is fucking going, baby. You know what I mean? It's going. So and I will let you later this one. You know what I mean? I will let you this later. It's probably gonna reach that last lower high again. You know, the real bullish started right now. So right now we can see GBBSD is in bullish. Okay, we're in a bullish market, and we're following the trend. That's why we're winning. You know what I mean? You're telling me you're not winning while you follow the trend, while you take the trade after retracement. Tell me you're not winning. I ain't gonna let you. Seriously, it's impossible. You know what I mean? That's exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm following the trend. I'm winning because I'm following the trend, and I'm taking my trades after retracement, not before. Not before. Not the movement. In the middle of the movement. No. In the middle of the movement, in the middle of a movement of the direction. No, I'm taking a trade after retracement, okay? Just like this. I'm taking a trade, okay? Let me show you a basic one. Okay, the market is done higher highs and higher lows, right? As you can see. So the market has moved, okay? I'm not talking about this move. I'm not gonna take. If the market even going this, I'm not gonna take. I'm not even gonna take. I'm wait till the price has broken. If it's bullish, till the price has broken the last higher high. After that, I'm waiting. I know that the market is what doing a little retracement. After that retracement, I'm good to take that trade because I know it's either gonna break that level, last higher high, or gonna stop it. Simply, I'm just gonna take the trade after that retracement, and boom, we're good, baby. You know what I mean? We're chilling. We're chilling. 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. Boom. That is how it works. That's what I'm actually talking about. In reverse, as you can see in downtrend, when we're in downtrend, I'm not take. Okay, wait. The market has done lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, right? Okay, let's just say that this movement has broken the last lower low, right? Now I'm not even taking in the middle of this trade. No, I don't know because I don't know if this movement is gonna either break this level or it's gonna stop. I don't know. So that means it's unsure. I'm not sure, right? What's going on? But the thing that I'm sure is if if the last lower low is broken, the market is for sure gonna come back to a low retracement. After that retracement, I'm good to take my fucking trades and we're good to go, baby. You know what I mean? So take my short side, and you're not just gonna take after the retracement. You have to see any confirmation, whether it's engulfing candle, it's a hammer, a K candle, or some sort of rejection. Okay, some sort of K candle, or some sort of rejection. Okay, some sort of rejection. If you see after retracement, that means you're good. You're all set. But you're not blind. You gotta see. You gotta trade what you see, not what you think. Okay, remember that. You gotta see. So you gotta trade what you see, not what you think. So that is actually how I planned. How I actually trade. And if you really can understand these two things, you don't need any fucking other strategy, bro. I'm fucking serious. Or the market. If not the market, if the market is not doing either of those, the market's probably doing this. No, there's no fourth one or fifth one. You know what I mean? The market is in consolidation and making what lower lows. I mean, it's in between. It's in between what exactly consolidation. So it's in between consolidation, meaning it's in between. Okay, I mean it's in between resistance and support level. So and you know, guys, is gonna believe me that I really love this stuff. Like this is gonna be the one that I love it. Well, you know why? Because remember, whenever, and I also said so many videos guys showed you if I haven't watched it, but I've so many times. Okay, like I always say, whenever I love when the market is making consolidation because whenever the market wants to, or let me say, before big before the big move happens, there is always a consolidation. And what is that consolidation? Liquidity. That consolidation is called liquidity. So whenever you see that the market is consolidating, remember, and never take a trade, but remember that there is a big move behind. There's a big move after that, consolidation. Remember that. Seriously, you can backtest every time. And bro, tell me if I'm liar. Seriously, just go back test and see. Whenever the market consolidation, make a consolidation, all you gotta do is first of all remember that there will be a big move. Why? The market, before the big move happens, it grabs the liquidity. It grabs liquidity firstly in order to move. Let me give you an example. Car. What does the car need in order to be driven? What does the car need in order to be driven? It needs a fuel, right? It needs fuel so it can move, so it can be driven, right? So it can go wherever it wants. That's exactly what we're talking about. In order the market move, okay, in order the next big move happens, okay, in order the next big move happens, the market wants to grab a liquidity from who? From retail traders, us, who are going to get triggered, okay, this consolidation, because there are a lot of traders that don't even see or don't even know or just gamble, gonna do like, they're gonna do like, they're gonna take a trade inside of consolidation. That's why the market grabs liquidity, and then after that, it goes unmoved, bro. You know what I mean? And the reason I loved, let me tell you guys. I just drove a resistance and support level, okay, above them and below them. After that, all I wait is break down. Like I said, my strategy is no different from anything, guys. I told you, it's always break and retest. The price is gonna break, come back to retest. We're good, baby. Again, the market wants to go up. Okay, all I wait is simply to break even. To break, little cancel. Let it retracement. Boom. That is how it works, man. Seriously, if you can master only this strategy, you don't need any other one. Seriously, you just need to practice this. Practice makes improvement, bro. The more you practice, the more you can understand. Okay, and I'm gonna recommend you guys that I would recommend you use one pair, only one pair. Master one pair, bro, and I promise you will love it. Bro, it will actually be the most or the best decision you've ever made. Okay, seriously, make it trading with only one pair, understanding how that pair you've chosen behaves. If you do that, understand, that is all you got, bro. And you just don't need any. Bro, you're elite trader. I'm telling you, just master one trading. You know why a lot of traders fail? Because they try to switch their strategy to strategy. They try to analyze different pairs that they don't have idea of of how that pair behaves, because every pair behaves on its own. You know what I mean? Every pair behaves on its own. If you don't know for the fundamental analysis, if you don't know the technical analysis, why the fuck are you doing here? Like, what the fuck are you doing even here? Like, you know what I mean? Like, you gotta know everything, that needs to be known, in forex trading. In order to happen that, I can actually tell you that you just need ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT's help, and you're done. You know what I mean? Um, Great. So I've given you guys my simple strategy. Actually, it's simple break and retest. And like I said, I'm gonna show you later on this video. The results. Okay, there. So let's see you. Okay, let's see you, Jay. Great. Let's see you, Jay. So now, as you can see here, we're in the 4-hour chart. Okay, let's go to daily time frame. As you can see here, I analyze the market the same way. First of all, I analyzed where the market is at, and I realized that the market is making lower lows and lower highs. Exactly, great. So what I did was, oh wait, brother, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, Is this the pattern? I think it is. Oh no, 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 no. I thought it was like short on holders, but it's not. Mm. Dun, dun. Anyway. Let's come back. Let's come back. You sometimes gonna confuse, you know what I mean? So in the daily time frame, we're making lower lows and lower highs. The market hasn't stopped, making lower lows anymore. It says, bro, we're going. And as you can see, the market hasn't actually break the last lower highs um what on the last on the downtrend. If because if it were to broke, we would have taken it. We would have taken the trade, right? If it would have broken, see, I even drove it the retracement, then boom. But it didn't happen exactly. So even the way I analyzed, the way I even draw in this level, I knew. Okay, it's not, guys, like something that you're just gonna draw. No, it's not. The market is based off of experience. You have to know it's experience. Okay, it's way of learning. You know what I mean? Okay, and here is a resistance level. Okay, where the market couldn't actually break it. So right now, all we're waiting for is actually to see if this last high low is broken. After that, we're aiming that this level. Okay, why is that? It's because the market has tried to go up, little retracement, go make what higher highs. It made a lot higher highs, but it hasn't break that last high low in on the I mean lower high on the downtrend, right? So what we're waiting for now is um to be broken that high last high low. If the price breaks that last high low, we're actually going to take the trade, and we're aiming our target is going to be probably okay. Our target is probably going to be below this level, okay. And yeah, our take profit, our stop loss maybe where there's a lot of projections, just like here. You know what I mean? Just like here, yeah. Yeah, just like here. You know what I mean? See? So that's actually what we're aiming for. And I'm not just saying it, bro. The market has came back. This was your key level, okay? This is key level we're talking about. The market has tried so many times. It couldn't break. It tried. It couldn't. It tried. It couldn't. So many times, okay? That means this is actually what? Indicating as that we got a key, level, okay? That has been rejecting, okay? So right now, oops. Right now, like I said, we're waiting is to be broken the last higher low of the trend. Okay, since the market has tried to, reverse into bullish and made a change of corrector, but it seems like it finally, you know, is to be broken the last higher low of the trend. Okay, since the market has tried to, reverse into bullish and made a change of corrector, but it seems like it finally, um, you know, failed. But still, we have chance that since the market has reversed into bullish, making higher highs and higher lows, we can say if the market breaks this level, we're still going down, right? But it can either make the market can break this level and down, or can come to this level, the last higher low, and then make some sort of rejection. Okay, that means the market still is going up, meaning we're not even gonna take the trade, even if we see here some sort of rejection in here, we won't take the trade because or unless we won't take the trade unless the market breaks this where this level, of course, and make a little retracement, then boom, we're good to go to the upside. If not, if the price breaks this level below this level, plus higher low, we're good to take the trade, and we're aiming the last key level. Good. So this is USD chef, okay? So still we're good. USD chef. Oh, I made this video longer than anyway. I'm gonna just do it. And this one I've actually already analyzed, saying the market has consolidated, still is consolidating, okay. And like I said, we're waiting a breakout. That is all we want. Whenever the market is making a consolidation, what we're gonna do is what is actually what we're gonna do is to wait to be broken either of those levels, okay. That is it. Gold gold is fucked up, bro. Sometimes gold is fucked up. I mean, I actually don't understand sometimes. So it's not, gold is not mine. You know what I mean? Gold is not mine. Yeah, swear to God, it's not mine, bro. It's not mine. So let's just jump on that one. GB Cat. I was kind of expecting to make a little retracement, but I'm not taking the trade because I don't know where. I'm not taking the trade right now because where I was waiting was what this level happens. Okay, this retracement happens. After that retracement, I can actually go with the trend, right? But it didn't happen, so I'm not gonna take randomly in here because I know that the market is likely can go, again down and hit my stop loss. So that is actually how it works, so I don't have to take. That is why I don't like taking it. I like taking trades after retracement. That is how it goes. This is JB Cat. So and USD US behind HP5 US 100 US 500. It's also I actually don't understand this one too. Let me just delete them. Yeah, USD5. That is it, guys. What you don't understand, just forget it. Really, try pairs that you can understand. There's a lot of pairs that are you can understand. So anyway, um, that is how I actually analyze the market the easiest way, bro. If you fight to all the way here, I'm sure you understand something that a lot of traders do not understand yet. You know what I mean? Seriously, because you know a lot of things right now. You know what to do. You know what to do. What the first time you come to the chart, looking at the floor, looking at the high time frames, because they are gonna tell you exactly what the hell is going on the market. Which direction are you going on? Because like I said, or like all or every successful person says, what? Follow the damn trend, okay? The trend is your flow, it's your friend. So you gotta follow it, not against it. Because if you are against it, that means you're completely against to the market. You know what I mean? So already this video longer, but I hope you get benefit from it, and I hope you understand everything that I was talking about because it was really amazing and interesting. Because I mean, it was really an interesting lesson, and if I, were you guys and I've seen this such video. Seriously, I've watched to all the way because I knew the kind of value it has and it can bring it to me. You know what I mean? So anyway, with that being said, I'll appreciate you guys watching to all the way here, and I really appreciate. If you're new, like I said, hit that subscribe button. Let's be friends here. And I don't want you guys to be just my subscriber. No, I want you to be my watcher. You gotta always watch what I post because I always try to guys elevate you. I always try to elevate us. Let's even add myself because even me when I'm doing this, I'm getting benefit. I'm like getting deep understanding of what I'm talking about. And the more I do that, the more it's gonna be easier for me. Um, and also I have a news for you guys. In my TikTok, I wanted to go live but I couldn't go because of the followers I have. So I actually got a solution because what I wanted was to get a live every single day and interact with you guys in real market, okay, and explain the market exactly what the hell is going on the market at that that moment. But it it didn't happen. But I actually made it happen finally because I right now on live Twitch every single day, and I'm gonna see if I can post link down if I can post, but if the YouTube refuses, because I don't know, they said you gotta post a lot videos, or I don't know, actually I don't even understand, but if they let me post link, you look at the link in the bio, and I'm actually going to stream. I want you guys to come there and interact with me live every single day, like on, let's say, on the weekend, which is gonna figure out what we're gonna do the weekend actually. Guys, maybe let you decide what we're gonna do. I'm gonna come to the stream. Maybe we're gonna have some fun. You know what I mean? We don't have to always be on the trading. Although even though our trading thing is what we what we feel like we're having fun, because we're passionate about. If you're passionate about trading, you're a real trader. But if not, I'm sorry, I don't know, you're lost or something. Anyway, like I said on Twitch, going like I've literally created like today. You know what I mean? Like it was early time in 5 a.m. in the morning. I've really created that video because I really wanted so badly because now I kind of feel like I get a free stream. I can stream every single day, interact with people in real life. Okay, especially my subscribers. That's what I want. That's what I really want. So when you come there, just on the chat, let me see from YouTube. Okay, from YouTube, from your subscribers. Then I will realize and I will guys separate you from other people because you're following me on this journey along the way, and I really appreciate that. So, like I said, I'm really happy to guys see you in there in live stream, and yeah, you can even guys take my videos on that stream and then post on your guys social media or wherever. Like okay, you can do whatever you want. That is actually what I'm good at and what I like it. I actually like it the most, and right now we have only one follower. That means like, I mean, I don't see any people right now coming because of the newbie I am. You know what I mean? But I have you guys, so if you've watched to all the way here, you're probably gonna come. I absolutely know you're going to come. So, um, with that being said, I will share again. And I will see you next video. And before I go, let me see. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about what I was doing. Like, let me let me see in the comment, whatever you just write anything you want, whether you're motivating me to keep it up, whether you're correcting me something, whether you're telling me any feedback, like everything. I'm really welcoming you to write in the comment section so I can feel that I'm watched. I'm always watched. That can give me actually, that can give me encouragement, that can give me encouragement. So anyway, with that being said, love you guys, and I'll see you next video. Maybe tell me even what next talking about. Would you guys talking about guys? Need to talk about guys, and since you've seen my, we're going in real time. You're gonna bring your laptops, your trading view, and we're gonna do it together. Everything. Any questions you got, I'll do it. And the best part, we're ChatGPT is going to work with us. Okay, everything if we feel, because since we're not masters of trading, we're not mastering the trading. Since I mean we're not we don't have any how can I say, like, since we're not since we haven't mastered, let's say that, since we haven't mastered the market, ChatGPT must work with us, and I'm bringing with him at that time so he can answer us whatever the fuck we want on our social on our I don't know. You know what? I'll see you guys next video. And yeah, I'll see you next. Peace out. Peace out. Here we come again. Anywhere you live in the world, I hope you guys are doing great. Today's video is gonna be me announcing different pairs. So you know me that I'm a G trader, but actually I'm going to try to analyze different pairs today. And actually there's no reason, but I just said why would I trade only one pair? But I mean, when it comes to like personally, I trade only GBUSD, but right now I'm going to actually analyze different pairs, gold, GGA,